Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm a Georgia Workers' Compensation attorney. I created this series to provide you with helpful information about the rules and benefits of Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today I want to talk to you about what happens if you reach a settlement with the insurance company in your workers' compensation case. Initially, nothing happens. Nothing really changes. And that is because all workers' compensation settlements in Georgia workers' compensation cases have to be approved by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Until they're approved, everything should be pretty much just the way it was before your settlement. If the insurance company is paying you weekly checks, they may continue to pay them, and they may continue to pay for medical treatment until the settlement's actually approved by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. And that's where a lot of things change. Let me give you an example. Suppose you negotiated with the insurance adjuster and you reached a settlement amount in your case. Nothing would immediately change. Usually what happens is the insurance adjuster would contact an attorney who would prepare settlement paperwork. That settlement paperwork would be sent to you to be reviewed and signed. And once it was signed by you, it would be signed by the insurance company's attorney and then sent to the State Board of Workers' Compensation for a judge to review and approve it. Now, once the settlement is approved by the State Board of Workers' Compensation, everything changes. Your workers' compensation case is done and over with. In addition, if you sign documents resolving any other cases other than your workers' compensation case at the same time, if you were sent what's called a general release or some other documents, you may have resolved those other cases as well. And sometimes those other cases, if you sign different documents, may have actually been settled immediately when you signed them, even before the State Board of Workers' Compensation approved it. But as to the workers' compensation case itself, it's not actually settled till the State Board of Workers' Compensation approves it. But at that point, it is settled and done with. And you generally can't go back and change it for any reason. The insurance company would have an obligation to pay whatever amount of money has been negotiated that's listed in the settlement documents that are approved. They have 20 days from when the settlement's approved to pay it, and then they're done. They close your file and they walk away. And you generally can't come back and change things in the future. And that tells you how important it is to make sure that when you're settling your case, that you're making the correct decision. Now, you're not going to know everything that's going to happen to you in the future, but the amount that you settle for and what you take into account when you settle your case is very important, because you're not going to be able to come back and change it later once the State Board of Workers' Compensation has approved it. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by liking this video or by giving it a thumbs up. If you have other questions about workers' compensation, I'd be happy to set up a free consultation with you to discuss it. There's two easy ways to do that. First is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the consultation request form available there. Or you can call our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and someone from our workers' compensation team will be happy to speak with you and to schedule a consultation with me. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.